Flipping all night, what I be flipping all night.
Hi, my name is Claire Moore. This poem is called Frozen, Trigger Warnings for Mental Illness. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Never let them see how lonely you are. Keep the pleasant look pasted on your face. Never let your mask slip. Don't reveal your thoughts inside. Be the good girl you always have to be. Look down at your purity ring that reads, I know the thoughts that I think towards you. That's a good and not evil, to give you a future and a hope. Remember that God has a plan for you, that you're beautifully and wonderfully made. Keep reminding yourself of that when your smile trembles because your friends stop inviting you out because you don't drink or spoon. Keep reminding yourself of this for each boy who doesn't respect you, for each wound on your heart that they leave when your hopes are dashed and you're left alone again. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Sweep all the bad thoughts away and put it in a box. Lock it and throw away the key. Maybe if you forget about it, you can pretend that it's not real. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. But now they'll know. I wonder how many people see me, not the image that I project. I'm not the girl with all the answers, not the one who's involved and polite, not that sassy, confident girl who lives to make people laugh. I'm the girl with social anxiety, who wants so badly to be included but does not know how to reach out. I'm the girl who finally works up the courage to say hi or smile, but the words get caught in her throat, stubbornly nestled against her vocal cords, and no matter how hard she coughs, they can't escape. So she stands there, awkward. The words slowly morph into anxiety, and spinally cold fingers trail up her spine, grab her neck, and hold. She can't breathe. She can't. I can't breathe. I can't be here. I slink back into my solitude. Please, believe me, I'm not stuck up. I just simply do not know how to talk to you. I am trying and failing to belong. I'm always on the outside looking in, forever on the edge of the group but never the inside of it, always the bystander but never the befriended. And I pretend that I like it that way. I've been torn down, stomped on, and left behind so many times. I got scars tatted on my heart in permanent ink. Ink made from the blood, sweat, and tears that it took me to get this far. You see, this heart, my heart, encases itself in ice out of self-defense. Every day is a battle and life is a war. But I am strong. I am one of the ones who survived. I am a queen, so please pass me my crown. My crown may be bloody, it may be bent, but it is mine. I am wounded, but not dead. Bloody, but never, ever bowed. I know my worth, even nobody else can see it. And so here I shall remain, in my castle made of ice, frozen.